this was my 4-week checkup for my Nexplanon. So this is my 4-week checkup at the doctor's for my implant. I actually have to do a pee test, so I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna pee in this cup, then go to my room. So when I do, I'll check in with you guys later. So I'm out the doctor's office now. All they did was check my arm to make sure that it didn't get infected and it's okay. I also had a pee test to make sure I'm not pregnant, and both those came back negative, so I'm good. This was my 4-week checkup for my Nexplanon, so everything is a-okay. That Nexplanon is great for breastfeeding moms. I forgot to mention that in my last video. And what else? Yeah, it's great for breastfeeding moms. So that is my quick little update. Yeah. So I was in the car rattling my brain thinking of what I forgot to add. And I forgot to add that during the 3rd week of getting this Nexplanon implanted, I had some spotting. So not a full period, just spotting. Not enough to wear a pad. I was wearing a panty liner. And this may be TMI for some people that's watching, especially for the guys that watch my videos. Sorry, but it's life. It's natural. It's what we go through. And that is what I forgot to add. I've been having a bit of spotting during the 3rd week. And it's been 6 days and now it's completely gone. I'm good. It hasn't been a full 7 days, so I'm very happy about that. So that's the only thing that I had to add. Everything else is good. Where they put the implant in is not infected. It's good and a-okay.
Hi guys, so all I'm doing is I'm setting up my little Christmas tree. This is my 2nd year putting up this tree, and as you can see, Kai is all over the place messing with it. Probably when he gets older, him and Milani gets older, I'll actually invest in a larger tree and do all the fancy schmancy stuff, but for now this will have to do. I'm just putting up the tree, Also, I'm not very big on Christmas. I feel like Christmas is just a plot for people to spend money that they don't have, and I don't believe in rewarding kids on Christmas, especially if they haven't been doing what they're supposed to do throughout the year. So for me personally, Christmas is just for my kids to not feel left out and to give them one and two gifts. I don't do the excessive gift giving or all of that. I feel like thoughtful quality gifts over quantity of gifts is what Christmas is about for me, especially in the family that I grew up in. We weren't privileged enough to get a whole bunch of gifts on Christmas. So that's the same way I'm trying to grow up my kids. They don't have too much, they don't have too little. They're right in between. They have everything that they need, and they get one thing on their list that they wish for, basically. So, but that's a whole nother video for a whole nother time. If I really, I'm gonna get deep into it, but I won't. So as you guys can see, the middle portion of my tree stopped working. I don't know if I didn't put it together right or what it is, but the middle portion did not light up. And it hasn't been lighting up since the first time I bought it. So babe went to the store and got me some light. All I'm doing here is wrapping some of the gifts and putting them underneath the tree. These are mostly Kai's gift with the blue wrapping paper. I like to turn my gifts sideways. I don't like to do it full on straight. I like to turn it sideways and do my wrapping paper diagonally. So if you have a hard time wrapping gifts like I used to do, this is a nice technique for you to learn. All you have to do is turn the box in a diagonal way, not straight, and then do the wrapping papers like how you see me doing it in this video. It's easier to watch and see it than for me to explain it. And I mute this part of the video also because we were actually talking about really important family stuff, which I couldn't put on YouTube, but that's neither here nor there. You guys see it, so it's easier for you guys to understand. Oh, and this is just me showing you guys that I'm getting rid of a lot of baby stuff from both Milani and Kai. I'm always of the belief that if I'm gonna bring in more stuff for them, I need to get rid of some stuff, and this is exactly what I did this day. I honestly wish somebody that needed baby stuff lived close to me, but these are going to Goodwill because I can't be bothered. I just want them out. So yeah, he literally takes off all the decorations and stuff off this tree, and that is why I don't have a whole lot of decoration on this tree, because I know my son and I know small kids are going to try to take off the ornaments and stuff, so I didn't waste my time putting on a whole lot of them. So this is just a quick pan of how everything looks completely together, from the couch to the tree to my dining room table that you guys saw in the last vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.